Hello guys, before I start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Ardelle Jody Nathaniel and I am from the first class of the science department in Mutiara Bangsa High School. I am still in my junior or freshman year, which makes me a 10th grader. Okay, that's it for me. Now I'm going to go with the video. What is this video? Okay, this video is to make greeting card. My teacher said to make greeting card on any subjects, and the subjects that I picked is Halloween. Why Halloween? Because I was born in October, and yeah, I choose that as my theme or subjects that I'm going to make the greeting card with. Okay, that's it for the introductions, and see you guys on the materials. Bye bye guys. So I know not a lot of you guys know, not all of you know about Halloween and don't celebrate it, so I'm going to rant a bit about Halloween so you guys know the overview of the event. Halloween, which is a contraction of All Hallows Evening, is a celebration observed in many countries on October 31st, the eve of the Western Christian feast of All Hallows Day. One theory holds that many Halloween traditions may have been influenced by ancient Celtic harvest festivals, particularly the Gaelic festival Samhain, which may have had pagan roots. Some scholars hold that Samhain may have been Christianized as All Hallows Day, along with its eve by the early church. However, other academics believe that Halloween began solely as a Christian holiday, being the vigil of All Hallows Day. What are you doing with? What are you doing in Halloween? Well, Halloween activities include trick-or-treating, attending Halloween costume parties, carving pumpkins into jack-o'-lanterns, lighting bonfires, apple bobbing, divination games, playing pranks, visiting haunted attractions, telling scary stories, as well as watching horror films. Okay, that is it for the overview of Halloween. I hope you guys learned something from me today, and I'm going to stop ranting and let you guys enjoy the music and watch the videos in the background, I guess. See you guys. Okay, that is it for the making a greeting card of my team, a Halloween team. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys can make your own greeting card. Oh, that's it from me. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you want, like and comment, and see you guys on the next video. Bye bye guys.